Welcome back to Motomojofl. Thanks for stopping in. I decided to change the colors up a little bit on this 2022 Yamaha Tenere 700 to something that is a little nostalgic for me, the black and yellow. I think she looks good. Today, I'm going to show you how to install this kit, so stay tuned. After removing the original graphics, wipe down the whole surface of the plastic with isopropyl alcohol and make sure it's clean. I'm going to start on this side, work my way that way, and then down. Peel just enough of the paper back to reveal the adhesive. Leave the paper so you can make adjustments and slightly reposition as necessary. Gradually work the graphics and the adhesive onto the plastic. Use your finger and a squeegee to ensure that no air bubbles are left behind. A heat gun on low heat will help manipulate the graphics around corners and into tight spots. A little bit of heat takes out the wrinkles. Little finessing helps. As you work your way across the plastic, pull back pieces of the backing so that you have ample adhesive to work with, but only working across small sections at a time. Again, using the squeegee, your finger, a heat gun to continue to finesse the graphics kit into place. Continue using that exact method across each body part of the Tenere 700 until the job is done.